Hello everybody, Albanese Konstantinos here, and I wanted to show you something very interesting about our AI journey, and one application that I believe that everybody would find very interesting to investigate. This application is the Guided A.I, and this is this one. You see, this one is about meditate, and we can create anything we want from meditation. You know that I sometimes I record guided meditation, and I upload to YouTube. We're gonna see what this application can do. You see, you have 3 generations left to use, okay? And then we can upgrade our subscription from here if we want to more than 3. Let's try the application, okay? I'm going to meditate over here. And here I'm gonna write, it says create your meditation or motivation, okay? Or click here to listen to re-listen previous creations. Here if we click, we see previous creations, but we don't have any previous creations. The topic, write what you want to meditate about. Okay, we're gonna write here that not that I'm feeling stress from work, feeling overwhelmed, and let me think about that. Let me think about it. Okay, as you can see here, the application is helping us with need some inspiration, and it gives us the option to select anxiety, stress, sleep, motivation. If you press anxiety, I feel overwhelmed and need to calm down. Okay. Stress, I'm stressed about upcoming exams and need to manage my anxiety. Stress, I'm stressed about my financial situation and need to find a way to cope. Stress, I'm feeling stressed and would like to relax. You see? I need to reduce my work-related stress. I am stressed about upcoming exams and need to manage my anxiety. Motivation. I'm struggling to stay motivated in my job or studies and need some encouragement. I want to find new ways to boost my energy and motivation throughout the day. I could use some motivation to go out and do some exercise. I could use some motivation to do the things I have to do today. I'm feeling demotivated and need help getting started on a project. It's really, really exciting. You see, every time you press motivation, it gives you another prompt. Okay, I want to find new ways to boost my energy and motivation throughout the day. Let's press stress. I'm feeling stressed and would like to relax. I need to reduce my work-related stress. I'm stressed about upcoming exams. I'm struggling to stay motivated in my job or studies and need some encouragement. I want to find new ways to boost my energy and motivation today. I could use some motivation to go out and do some exercising. Okay, let's pick one of those and create something. I could use some motivation to do the things I have to do today. Let me see. I'm struggling to stay motivated in my jobs or studies. Okay, let's do this one. I'm struggling to stay motivated in my job or studies and need some encouragement. Let's select the duration. We can see duration are an estimate. We can select 5 minutes. We have to upgrade our package to go to a longer duration. We can select here Olivia or Lucas. Listen to Lucas.
Hi, my name is Lucas. If you want me to be your guide, select me and click the meditate button below to start your meditation.
Amazing. Let's
Hi,
listen.
my name is Olivia. If you want me to be your guide, Select me and click the meditate button below to start your meditation.
It's really amazing. Okay, I think we can test with Olivia. Let's try it. Create a session that looks really great, and I'm really excited about that because I enjoy meditating, and look at that. It's creating a session. This may take a few seconds. I'm just waiting, and you have a great painting on this application, showing you what's going on. And now we have just the button to see the session. You see, we can press.
Begin by finding a comfortable, quiet space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes and slowly direct your focus inwards.
Amazing.
Take a deep breath,
we can share
inhaling through your nose, allowing your stomach to fill up like a balloon.
Okay, now we can share this one. Let's see if we can download this one. We can just share it from here. But if I'm gonna share it to Twitter, let's see what shows if you try to share it to Facebook. You see, let's do a reload here. Yeah, it just says guided rest, dot rest. It's this site that I'm over here. I can
Hold your breath and then gently and very slowly release the breath through your mouth.
You see, that's amazing. It's amazing. We have a great and relaxed music, nice picture, and we have a 5 minutes meditation created just for us and for a particular purpose. So we use the AI to create for us a short meditation that it can be for whatever we want, and something that it's bothering us. Okay, let's just like this one, and let's click, you see, renew purpose. Let's click next session. Here are some suggestions you might like. Visualize yourself accomplishing your goals and feeling a sense of fulfillment in your work or studies. Focus on the positive aspect of your job or studies and how they align with your long-term aspiration. Embrace gratitude by reflecting on the opportunities and growth that your job or studies have provided you. Isn't it amazing? It's amazing. You can click on the next session. So now it's gonna create very fast another session that's gonna be let's say 5 minutes, and in fact it's gonna create the next step of this session that we created. Okay, our suggestion is this one, and here is some other suggestions. You see, it's 3 suggestions, but this one, visualize yourself accomplishing your goals and feeling a sense of fulfillment in your work or studies. It's something that it's gonna be great. We have 2 generations left. I can use it like that. I can create another session. Okay, looks really amazing and really very interesting. Okay, it doesn't help with your projects or with the marketing or with your websites, but it seems like in fact it's gonna help you to relax and give you a motivation to work on your job and give you more creativity. I believe that it's really amazing and really interesting to use it. Let's listen.
Start by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably, undisturbed for several minutes. Close your eyes slowly and take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then release it gently. As you continue this sequence of deep, rhythmic breathing, you can feel your body beginning to relax.
It's great that we have a nice, gentle voice for this kind of meditation. I don't know what you think. I hope you're gonna leave your message down to this under this video, and let me know if you test it, if you enjoyed it, and if you like this this great tool. I'm gonna try to share, because I don't know if I can share it to AI tool detective. Here, if we click, it's gonna take it to Telegram. Okay, and this one is Reddit. It's gonna put it to Reddit. I don't know. Yeah, here maybe we can use it. Okay, it looks really amazing, and we have just one more session left, and now it's proposing that imagine yourself in a peaceful natural setting surrounded by calming sounds and gentle breezes. Allow yourself to experience deep relaxation as you focus on your breath, letting go of any tension or stress. You know, that's really most of the basic relaxation stuff that has to do with Silva method and other methods. That's it's really very interesting. Very interesting. It seems like this application it's really trained for this purpose. Okay. And picture yourself in a vibrant and energetic state, radiating confidence and positivity as you achieve your goals. You see, that's really very interesting. I would like to see that over here. Okay. It's we are to the same topic. If we click surprise here, you see, I want to find new ways to boost my energy and motivating through the day. That's a surprise. Okay, it's like leaving it on the luck. Okay, but this one, it seems to be the best. Okay, we leave this one, and this time we can let Lucas create this session to see how it is with Lucas. Okay, we had the two sessions with the woman. We're gonna see now we're gonna listen Lucas.
Close your eyes and take a moment to tune into your body and spirit. Imagine yourself in a place filled with a vibrant, humming energy, the energy of success, positivity, and all possibilities. Picture yourself being part of this energy. Your form shimmering with vitality.
Amazing, and nice voice and everything. You see, now if we select a new session to the same topic, it's going to give us again some suggestions. Imagine yourself in a serene and peaceful environment, surrounded by nature's beauty. If we click something from here, let's say visualize yourself floating on a cloud, feeling weightless and free as you let go of all worries and stress. It's gonna take me here, but you see, I have 0 generation left. If I'm gonna select this one, let's try this one, and select the 5 minutes. Now, if I try to click to generate more, I have no more minutes left, so I'm not gonna be able to produce any more meditation. it looks really amazing. We have the meditate here, and we got to upgrade. If we have to upgrade, we're gonna have to select $7 basic. It's the upgrade over here. Generate 15 meditation per month, and 3, 5, and 10 minutes meditation. Use basic voices. Replay previous meditations. Now we can't replay previous meditation. That's something that's really sad, because I didn't listen all the meditations that I created. And here is $15 premium that you can generate 35 meditations per month, 3, 5, and 10 minutes meditation. Use basic voices. Replay previous meditations. It's really interesting, but it's really sad that I can't I can't play the previous meditations. So if you create any meditation, you're gonna have to listen them the same moment. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed and had fun with this one, this application. It's really very interesting. You can have fun with this one. It's kind of break between the other AI tools we investigate and the other subjects that we see. I'm gonna leave you a link down to the description, so you can investigate too and check your meditations. That create some meditations and try to follow them, because it's really amazing and very nice voices. Hope you wish you the best, and I will see you to one of the next videos. Thank you very much, and see you very soon. Ciao.